We are pleased to show you the 2020 Arteon. The Volkswagen Arteon offers plenty of convenience and functionality by utilizing 4 doors and a hatchback. A comfortable ride, plenty of high-quality finishes, and the overall utility of this vehicle makes it one you want to take a look at. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, daytime running lights, compact spare tire. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.